Hi, want to know how to change icon size on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then click on this search bar. Here, we would need to enter words as display size to find this setting, which looks exactly like this. This is the first one in the list. So, here we would need to open these settings, and as you can see, we got here this slider with three sizes, which is extra small, small, and large. Here you'd be able to change the icon size, but also keep in mind that you're not only changing the icon size, but everything that is displayed on your screen. So if I'll set the large one, you can see that everything has become bigger on my screen. And now if you would like to otherwise make everything smaller, you can switch to small, which is here in the middle, or you can switch to extra small, which is all the way to the left. And like this, you can change the icon size and all of the objects on the display also. So now let's click on this confirmation icon and click OK. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.